Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix World of Tanks hit game crashing, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now first fix is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on console and select power off, unplug all the wires. Wait for a few seconds and press power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to log out and log in. So simply log out from your PlayStation network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others, sign out. Now wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to switch internet connection. So first of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to different Wi-Fi network and check, or simply you can restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4, switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection. Press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will put into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Now use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch World of Tanks hit game and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 6, restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select World of Tanks hit game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP and then check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8 is to delete game data and cache. Now please take a note, you must make sure to backup the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage, delete. Now choose World of Tanks hit game, then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then try to launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual and in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then click on OK and then go ahead, relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. If you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on a PS5, then reinstall or transfer the World of Tanks hit game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve World of Tanks hit game crashing, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.